unang araw pa lang ng pagdinig dyan sa Senate Blue Ribbon Committee ni Senador Marcoleta, may umamin na meron ngang ghost project na nagaganap. Naku, talap buhay nila. Ang sabi pa nga ni Senator Jingo Estrada, kadiri kayo. O ito, panoorin nyo at anong kumpanya ang mayroon daw ghost project at anong lugar. Naku, Bulacan talaga hindi nawawala pagdating sa flood control project. Ito, panoorin nyo.
Ilan ang ghost projects ninyo dyan?
This is on the process of validation, Your Honor. This is
But do you still believe that there are ghost projects there? Or
I
there
think so,
were
Your
ghost projects?
In all candidness, Your Honor, I think so.
You think so?
Yes.
Saan yan?
Well, as I said, as I mentioned in my statement, there are district offices that we are trying to continue the validation of some of the projects, Your Honor. Let me just point out, Your Honor, that many of these projects also, many of the other projects that I have mentioned, some of these projects were also implemented in 2021, 2022.
Sige. Kailan nyo pa nalaman na may mga ghost projects? Since you assumed office, Mr. Secretary? Or just lately?
Just lately, Your Honor, and unfortunately.
So ibig sabihin, when did you assume as Secretary when President Marcos appointed you?
Yes, Your Honor.
2022?
Yes,
All
Your
right.
Honor.
So you believe in 2022, 2023, 2024, walang ghost project?
Well, Your Honor, at the central office, we are relying actually on our project monitoring information that comes to us actually, unless it's going to be validated actually in field.
So you said siguro merong mga ghost projects. Who informed you na merong mga ghost projects?
Well, there are already informations that are coming up.
Yes.
Your Honor.
Who in particular informed you that there are
There are
ghost
people in the
projects?
department actually that are. That,
And how do they know that na merong mga ghost projects?
Well, there are people actually who can actually certify, Your Honor, and these are the projects that we are now intensively validating actually.
Okay,
Your Honor.
my office received reports that there are ghost projects in the municipalities of Kalumpit, Malolos, and Hagonoy in the province of Bulacan. Can you confirm this?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's true.
Well, this is information that we have received, Your Honor.
And the contractor, allegedly, Wawaw Builders. Correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
So, sa aking palagay, itong mga ghost projects na nabulgar na ngayon, siguro inaayos na nila. Tama? Para hindi malata na ghost.
And I don't think that they will have that capability anymore, Your Honor, because I think if these were ghost projects in the first place, they would not have delivered the time actually to do anything at this point in time. The records will show that if there is no project at all that was implemented and payment has been made.
Alright, magkano ang
normally-
in-award dito sa sa Wawaw? Wawaw Builders.
I don't have the figure right now, Mr. Chair, but I think it's predominantly
No. Meron mga figures dyan. Huwag niyo ako lulukoyin dito.
Yeah.
Labas niyo kung magkano yung in-award nito sa Wawaw Builders. Mga ghost projects. Kadiri kayo.
Mr. Chair, well, I've just been given the tabulation. Wawaw Builders, 85 projects amounting to 5,971,000,000.
Ito bang, I'm not familiar, no? Ito bang Kalumpit, Malolos, Hagonoy falls under the first
Yes, Your
Bulacan
Honor.
district? Ha?
Yes.
Alright.
Yes, Your Honor.
So magkano? Yung sa Wawaw?
5,971,811,600.
In Bulacan alone?
In Bulacan First Engineering District, Your Honor.
So ang ghost project lang na sinasabi mo, sa Bulacan lang.
There seems to be some ghost projects actually as reported, Your Honor.
Are you investigating this right
Yes,
now?
Your Honor.
Unang araw pa lang yan, nagkabukingan na. Naku, grabe pala, bilyon ang pinag-uusapan dito ah. Ito dapat, noon pa, ang na inimbestigahan. Nakaraan kasi busy sila sa pagpapa-impeach kay VP Sara. Ito, malaking halaga po at kitang-kita yung mga ebidensya. DPWH na mismo ay umamin na rin dyan. Matungkol po dyan sa ghost projects na nangyayari di umano. Dapat may managot dyan. Unang araw pa lang naman yan at maraming mga kontraktor na hindi sumipot dyan. Ay malamang may paghahanda na ginagawa yung mga yon. Kasi talagang ipapatawag yun. Ang tanong dito, may mga congressman ba sa mga susunod na hearing? Kasi tuloy-tuloy ito. May mga congressman ba na mapapatawag dyan? Ay si Senador Marcoleta? Wala namang inuurungan yan. At hindi natatakot yan. Kung mayroong mang congressman na nasasangkot dyan, ay talagang ipapatawag yan. Dito umpisa pa lang. Pero nakikita natin yung kanilang, yung mga dumating dyan, nakikita natin may isang mga kontraktor dyan na natataranta na. Hindi alam kung ano yung mga sagutan niya, kung tama pa ba. At ito, magandang panimula ito sa ginawang investigasyon po sa Blue Ribbon Committee ni Senator Marcoleta. Kaya sa mga buhaya, kabahan na. Puro kasi kayo impeach VP Sara. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you. Bye-bye.